Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change date format in ninjaform in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using ninjaform and this is our date field. Now select. So this is our current format. Now back to form builder and then click on date field and then you see date time option and then you see format default. Now select. You see multiple option here, so you can select according to your requirement. Now select this and then click on done and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to form page and refresh the page. Now click on date field again and then select date. Now you see format is changed. Back to form builder, click on date and then you see format drop down, so you can select according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.